Hello everybody. Today we are going to see Smart Classroom solution by Vectra. As you can see, we have displayed digital podium along with our digital LED solutions. As you can see, for the display purpose we are using LED, and for the presentation purpose we are using a podium. So using this solution you can interact with your students using the software panel of the podium provided. This podium facilitates all the modern facilities required to deliver a good presentation using 22-inch touch monitor display, all-in-one audio solution. Like as you can see, there is a gooseneck mic and handheld mic is also provided with this podium. Along with the PC, which can be customized as per the requirement of the user. Standard is we are providing i5 4th generation, 1 TB of hard disk and 4 GB of RAM. Apart from that, the user can use the annotating software which can be used for the presentation purpose. As you can see, we are using software for the writing purpose. You can increase the width of the pencil, as well as you can change the color. For the presentation purpose, you can use slightly some presentations. Like you can see, we are using a presentation of the podium. You can annotate over the presentation as well using the tools provided with the software. Just like the pencil and the color of the pen you want to demonstrate. Suppose I want to annotate over this image, as you can see. So whatever you want, you can annotate. Right? So as you can see, I can write over the presentation and that can be visible to the students which is sitting in the classroom. The best part of the podium is teacher can make eye-to-eye contact with the students and the student can have a look over the display which is installed in the classrooms. Using the software, you can even record your sessions using the record feature of the software. Just go to recording and start recording of the screen. So your recording is started, as you can see here, indicating recording status. Now whatever you are doing on the screens, whatever you are writing, that is being recorded and that can be kept saved for the future access. As you can see, whatever I have done after starting the recording, everything is visible to the screens. So this is being one of the best features used in the classrooms. Apart from that, this podium complies all the requirement in the classroom that it can connect all the input required for the presentation. If printer want to connect any external laptop, that can be connected and switched with the help of the controller. Controller also provides facilities to plug your pen drive and have access of all the data saved in the pen drive, and anything saved in the PC of the podium that can be imported to the pen drive and taken away.